Right, this is literally a step-by-step guide that will tell you how to literally just make your first dollar online and how to then turn that dollar into online income, consistent online income that will make you rich. So, first things I've got them written down, and it's basically 4 brain dead steps, and I'm gonna tell you in quite autistic ways how to act. So number 1, it's to actually stop saving money and spend more money in ROI. So if you don't know what ROI is, I already did a video on that. I'll have it down in the description, but I'm going to explain it again. So ROI is basically return on investment. So what you're spending money on right now is probably bullshit. Like, if you're a gamer, you're probably spending a good amount of money per month on, I don't know, some video games or some new equipment or this new PS4 controller or whatever. Now, that's okay if you've got like a YouTube channel on gaming and you need to buy microphones or new equipment that will make your channel worth watching. But if you're trying to improve your life, you're on self-improvement, and you're maybe trying to have a business like this, like content creation and then selling courses, well, you need to invest on learning. So invest on more books. You need to buy more books, buy courses. People nowadays say that courses are scams. They're fucking not. Let me just tell you, like, the probability of getting scammed by like a big content creator, it's impossible, basically. So probably most of these courses have some quality, and I'm not selling anything right now, so I'm just saying that courses are better than you think they are. And people go through this mindset, these fucking poor peasants. I'm not gonna buy coffee today because, I need to, maybe if I don't buy coffee today, maybe I can retire at 59. Yay. Like, people basically want to work like slaves their entire lives, and then maybe when they're 60, they have a couple $1,000 in the bank. Like, we've been taught out this way of life since we were in the school system, basically. So it's a wrong idea. So step 1, literally just spend more money in things that will make your business better. So invest on your health. Invest on invest on getting a gym membership. Invest on more equipment for your business, for recording. Invest on learning, courses, books. Then, when you've learned that saving money is a scam, so point 2 is going to be saving your brain points for big tasks. Brain points is basically your energy to complete a big task. So let's say that you need 100 brain points to record 10 videos in the morning. Okay, easy. So what you do, instead of waking up, then randomly scrolling and looking at notifications or scrolling on TikTok, that's probably gonna drain like 50 points already. So now you can do only like 4 videos, and you're tired already. You have a big carb-loaded breakfast. You're down at 25 points. Now you have to digest all the food. You start doing shitty procrastination tasks, thinking that you're productive, trying to convince yourself that, oh yeah, one more video is fine. It's productive. You lose some more brain points, and you don't do your business work. You don't do your business work. Let me tell you how to actually do your fucking business work. Wake up. Have literally nothing but water or black coffee. And work. Maybe meditate or do some gratitude journal and then work. Simple as that. Because when you wake up and literally do the task without cutting off everything, so you start cutting off the bullshit, like going on your phone as soon as you wake up, having breakfast, all things that make you mentally slower, you're going to beat 90% of the competition in business and in anything else. Anything that you put your mind to, you just literally use this brain points analogy, and you will basically beat 90% of the competition. It's as easy as that. Because when you're just removing, draining the energy that you have to scroll or do some other useless thing, you've got better shit to do with your energy. You know, when you've got like that kind of brain fog, when you come back from school and you can't do your homework or whatever because you're tired, or you had lunch, or you just spent fucking 6 hours sat down learning bullshit. That's why most people do their shit in the morning. Because that's when the rest of the world is sleeping. And that's when you're in peak mental condition. So, if you're in peak mental condition in the morning, don't ruin your productivity by scrolling or having high carb breakfasts or doing any of that useless bullshit. Because if you're waking up early, you need to be maximizing your results. So we learned that you need to save your brain points to become successful. Now, what do you actually do to become successful? And it's going to be the most brain dead thing you've ever heard in your life, but it's literally just set up your business and start selling the product. And that's literally what it is. Because I can tell you, all the autistic shit that will literally, like, step-by-step shit to record, but I'm going to be making videos on the business-related stuff. And I'm going to be adding it on my future course as well. So if you're interested, just stay around and my course will be coming out. So all you need to do is stop overthinking, because there's so many overthinkers. Literally, they've been thinking for like 3 months to start a YouTube channel. They've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel and selling a community, but you won't get anywhere from just thinking about your plans. You literally, as soon as you get an idea, you get to work. You literally get it started, because that's how people get successful. And it's only going to be through trial and error that you're going to actually get your first sale, because it's not easy. And if you just start procrastinating and just start waiting for the perfect opportunity, you're just going to get devoured by your competition, because the people that are making 10k per month are the ones that literally got the idea about the business, they started it, then maybe 1 month later it failed, but they kept going, or maybe they just got into a new business model and they literally started making a fuck ton of money from that. And that's how it is. It's trial and error, because you're going to be learning automatically what to do with your activities and with your business plans. Then you can start researching and buying books, and start buying courses about how to improve, and that's going to definitely improve your performance in selling and in sales. But point three is literally so easy. It's brain dead. Literally, set up your channel. Once you've got a bit of a following, set up your course. Start selling your course. And another thing is to sell low ticket prices, not high ticket prices. Basically, high ticket will ruin your life. High ticket courses and shit like that will literally ruin your business, because if you do low ticket, it's basically low maintenance. You literally just record some courses, and that's gonna take like, if you're gonna work on your course, it's gonna take like 15 hours per week if you're grinding on it. And but if you're doing high ticket prices, you're gonna be selling it for more, but there's gonna be less people interested on it, and you're potentially gonna be making like working for way more, like 30-hour weeks. Literally do low ticket because it's low maintenance. You work for less time, and you potentially make more sales, more money, even though the price is lower. Because you see, people, I'm gonna make an example of a high ticket business. So coaching, it's, people will just fall into the trap of, oh yeah, I'll just do high ticket and I'll get into coaching or whatever because I can make more money from that. If you think about it, most people are more willing to buy courses than do coaching, because many people that are on the internet, maybe even you feel awkward taking calls, you're scared to do human interaction. Like, most people will be like, oh, but it's kind of uncomfortable, I don't want to speak to this random dude for like 30 minutes. It's uncomfortable. But there's a fuck ton of people buying courses because it's literally just a video. They literally just buy it for the video. Like, for the mental thing of buying a course and literally just watching the videos and improving yourself. Whereas, if you buy the coaching, the people that buy the coaching are like, oh, I don't really want to do it, but I want to achieve my goals, or most of the time I don't even fucking work for their goals. They just speak to this random dude for 30 minutes, pay him like $100, and they'll probably get nothing out of it. And you'll be, if you're doing coaching, you'll be filling your day, filling your calendar with coaching calls. You're gonna have to message all your clients and just try and fit in every call every day. So you're gonna have to sacrifice your gym time because you have to do this one random shitty call from a random dude from India. So it's not it's definitely not time efficient, because you're gonna have to be cutting off some time at the gym, or you're gonna have to be cutting off some content creation time because you've got a full schedule of random ass people that you need to talk to. Whereas you just set up a course, you spend like 15 hours that week recording the course, like 15 videos, and that's basically your work done. You don't have to try to fill out your schedule and try and find some gaps to do some calls. You literally just have to record the videos, and then all you have to do is do marketing, which is literally the core of every single business right now. You just have to do more YouTube videos, more TikTok videos, and at the end of the video just say, oh, by the way, I'm selling a course about blah blah blah, whatever, about this. If you're interested, just link in description, sign up. And you'll be making sales, especially if you're locked in on content creation and you just start gaining more followers. You get that one random video that gets 100,000 views, and you suddenly make a fuck ton of money because 50 people just just subscribe to your course. So, low ticket is way better than high ticket. Now the last point is point 4, and it's basically avoid lifestyle inflation. Even though you might be making those 5k per month, avoid moving to Dubai or whatever. Just keep living your life as normal, because many people fall into the trap of thinking they've got enough money to literally do whatever they want. There's more people that are locked in. Even though they're achieving all their results, they're still locked in. Now, I'm not saying you have to work like 20 hours per day, even if you're making 10k per month, but you still have to maintain your business. So don't fall into too much into the lifestyle inflation trap, because yeah, it's fine to, use your money and travel, because traveling is one of the best things that you can do, especially at a young age. At a young age, traveling is one of the best things you can do. But just don't waste it all, and always remember that you've got a business to maintain. Otherwise, you're not going to be making money anymore. So, I hope you liked this video. It's actually one of my first step-by-step how to make money kind of videos. And I'm definitely going to be dropping more, because I literally had a lot of fun recording this type of video. So I was just motivated to speak about this, because I've been getting into this whole business or economy side of self-improvement. So yeah, stick around for more videos like this.